DJI Air 3, new leak. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. There is a lot of talk going on about the DJI Air 3. And just the other day, DroneXL revealed it looks like there's another leak about the DJI Air 3. Let's take a look at it. Now, the article's called Unveiling Soon DJI Air 3 Ads Stir Excitement. And it says here, ads featuring the DJI Air 3 drone have begun to surface in the world of online retail, notably from Amazon and B&H Photo. These newly cited advertisements, which are now appearing in Google search results, spark speculation about the upcoming launch of the rumored DJI Air 3. The presence of these ads in Google search results from deep-pocketed companies such as Amazon might not be surprising, yet the appearance of these ads from B&H Photo, a retailer with a less aggressive advertising strategy, adds credibility to the rumor mill. And you can take a look here and see the one from Amazon. It looks like that's in German, and then the one here from B&H Photo, it says best price, free 1 to 2 day shipping, Croton on Hudson, hurry, shop now, best prices, top rated, fastest mobile checkout, just their normal marketing strategy. But you can see the most important thing here in both of these, DJI Air 3 shows up. So that's a very interesting development in this. As you know, recently the DJI Air 2 had been on sale through Memorial Day, and we have also seen some other leaked pictures of the DJI Air 3. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3 new leak? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.